Your next car could be the 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Cascada pampers you with creature comforts and shields you with the latest safety features while giving you the agile, spirited drive your heart desires. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Drive a little pleasure into your life. Drive a Cascada.